Tesla will be allowed finally to directly sell its cars in Texas thanks to a new bill introduced in Texas House. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up and like this video if you find this helpful, and join our community, please. Maria Merano reports at Teslarati that Texas House Bill 4379, authored by State Republican Cody Harris, proposes that automakers manufacturing cars powered by electricity or batteries should be allowed to act as dealers under Texas state regulation. The bill would enable all electric car manufacturers like Tesla to sell their vehicles directly to consumers, something that Tesla has been waiting for a long time, but the bill hasn't passed yet. Tesla has had a difficult time, friends, applying its direct sales strategy in Texas. The state prohibits car manufacturers right now from directly selling vehicles to customers and encourages automakers to sell via a franchised dealerships. Now, this House Bill 4379, remember, House Bill 4379 could change the landscape for Tesla and Texas. The bill proposes adding a subsection to Section 2301.476 on the Texas Occupation Code. The amendment labeled Subsection I1 would set the following. So there is going to be amendment on the code. Notwithstanding any other provision of this chapter, a manufacturer or distributor may own or operate a dealership, may own, operate, or otherwise act in the capacity of a dealer. This will open green light in front of Tesla to directly sell its electric cars in Texas. Maria Merano says the amendment also states that automakers will be able to obtain a dealer general distinguishing number. To get a dealer distinguishing number, car makers must solely distribute vehicles powered by electricity or batteries, and the manufacturer's line must have never been sold in the state through an independent franchise dealership. I'm going to talk about this. That's why I emphasized never been distributed through franchise dealership before. Tesla meets the requirements of the amendment, along with other electric vehicle startups. The bill would probably also open doors for new car makers like Rivian or Lucid. Legacy automakers with upcoming entries to the electric vehicle market may not meet the second requirement. For instance, Ford had been working with dealerships for its Mustang Mach-E sales. Remember that, like I said, the second requirement, you should have never sold through dealerships before. This is going to open door only for startups. In the last couple of years, Tesla has tried a few times to amend the law that prohibits manufacturers from directly selling their vehicles, to no avail, no work. Right now, Tesla is in Texas. Texas is helping. However, this bill 4379 might find success, grant Tesla's growing presence in Texas, thanks to the Gigafactory in the Travis County. As you know, Gigafactory construction is going really well in Austin, and Tesla has big plans in Texas. We have some latest news updates also on the Tesla Giga Berlin Gigafactory, their battery factory, regarding the production of the 4680 battery cells. Some of you have been asking about this. Tesla wants to submit the permit application in the next few weeks, according to an industry insider. The application will be submitted by July of this year at the latest. So we're expecting Tesla to submit an application for Gigafactory battery production, 4680 battery production, which Tesla said will be the latest, by July, the latest. Heiko Weber has been working in the automotive industry for 22 years. The management consultant and partner of Beryl's is closely following Tesla's plans in Grünheide, also because he used to be responsible for engine assembly near the Mercedes plant in Berlin. When do they start with the battery cell factory? Asks Heiko in the industrial engineer. Some people, friends, in Germany are asking the same question. When will Tesla start any building or construction or permit with the battery factory at Giga Berlin? It has long been clear that Tesla doesn't just want to manufacture electric cars in Grünheide. We want to build cells on site for production in Berlin, said Tesla CEO Elon Musk last year in June, a year ago. A few months later, Tesla, together with other manufacturers, qualified for European Union's subsidies for battery factories totaling 2.9 billion euros. Remember, I reported several months ago that Tesla may get up to 1 or more than 1 billion euros to build its battery factory. But Tesla has not yet applied for approval. But now the plans are becoming more concrete. It takes time, friends. In a few weeks, by July at the latest, Tesla wants to apply for a permit for the production of lithium ion cells, as well informed industry circles have learned, Handelsblatt, the German publication, reports. Speaking of Giga Berlin, Tesla Giga Berlin now closes in on trial runs as new Model Y bodies are spotted on site. We have previously reported that Tesla may build the prototype Model Y in May. Now, Simon Alvarez reports in Teslarati that it appears that Tesla is setting the stage for Gigafactory Berlin Model Y trial production runs, as hinted at by several Model Y bodies that were recently sighted in the massive electric vehicle production complex at Giga Berlin. What appears to be 8 Tesla Model Y body-in-whites were spotted in the recent sighting, with one of the vehicles being partially uncovered. Thanks to this, one could see that the Model Y body had already been painted with primer. The bodies were also located in the same area as painting equipment from Geico Taikisha, the company providing Giga Berlin with its painting equipment. Friends, considering that Giga Berlin's Phase 1 building seems to be nearing completion, the facility is likely closing in on its trial production runs. This would make the Model Y bodies invaluable, as they could be used to help line calibration and measurements in both the assembly line and perhaps even the paint shop. Giga Berlin's paint shop has been taking form for quite some time, with the Geico Taikisha machines being fitted into the Phase 1 building since last year. By the end of January, large dipping pools for the paint shop were spotted being delivered on the site, complete with police escort. Giga Berlin is expected to be one of Tesla's most advanced factories to date, and the good reason for this is its revolutionary paint shop. Remember, Elon Musk tweeted about that it will be the world's best paint shop, and then it will be transferred to other gigafactories. Elon Musk has noted that Giga Berlin's paint shop will be the world's most advanced, offering fantastic color options that, quote, subtly change with curvature, end of the quote. This would make the Model Ys produced in German factory and maybe Giga Shanghai quite unique, if not a bit more compelling than its siblings produced in the than its siblings produced in the United States and in Giga Shanghai, where Tesla only offers a conservative number of paint options today. Tesla has not announced much about the made in Germany Model Y's actual paint options, though Musk has noted that his favorite color is the color called deep crimson. But if we wait a little bit, as these decisions are made, Tesla will make more announcements about the Giga Berlin made Model Y color options. Tesla's first German plant is being built rapidly, despite opposition from local conservation groups. Despite these challenges, Tesla seems to be standing by its time frame for Giga Berlin's launch, which is expected to be held around July 2021. Earlier, I had reported from inside sources that the prototype Model Y is expected to come in May and July-August timeframe for the production. I'm covering Tesla. While I'm covering this in Europe, let me tell something about UK. Tesla has lobbied the UK government to increase taxes on petrol and diesel vehicles as a way to incentivize the purchase of all electric cars, reports Teslarati. Teslarati says Tesla's efforts also encouraged the UK government to initiate an eventual ban on hybrid vehicles. As you know, many countries have also already initiated an eventual ban by 2030 on hybrid on gas vehicles. Tesla is calling the fuel duty and charge of petrol and diesel increase to increase purchases of electric cars. They want to pay the use money to pay more grants and VAT exception for electric cars. If successful, Tesla's lobbying efforts could make electric vehicles much cheaper and fossil fuel powered vehicles, gas vehicles, thousands of pounds more expensive in the United Kingdom, and in this way Tesla will help to faster transition populations to electric car adoption. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know what you think about these developments, friends in Texas and Giga Berlin. And subscribe to our channel. Also, please give us thumbs up, like this video if you find this helpful. That will help to put this video in front of more people in YouTube. And give us an upload. You can see that upload button next to the like button if you would like to support us. Have a great day. God bless you and peace be with all of you. See you soon in our next report. I still have a couple of very interesting stories to share with you later today.